are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Ethan, what are you doing? Why are you brushing your teeth?
I